Step into Carrier's world. Where innovation drives success. We don't just keep pace. We redefine progress by innovation, sustainability, and delivering unmatched value. From products to carefully crafted solutions for buildings of the future. It's time to shape tomorrow's world. We are transforming to become the customer's first choice in the industry. For us, success isn't just a milestone. It's a launchpad to regain our leadership position. Let us race ahead together into a future filled with success. Together, let's push boundaries to grow and steer towards excellence. Welcome to Carrier, where we are ready to fast forward to a boundless future.